Shout out to Capella Hair for sending over this 20-inch body wave 13x4 frontal unit. I went right in with the quick blue and 30 developer to bleach the knots on this. I also added a few drops of navy blue to cancel out the orange tone that it gets from lifting the knots. The consistency of the bleach should be like toothpaste. It shouldn't drop off of the brush at all. This is to prevent it from seeping through the knots and bleaching the actual hair on the unit. Hey Siri, set a timer for 35 minutes.
Counting down.
After this, I installed the wig, y'all. It came out cute, but I just wasn't feeling it. So I decided, take it off, girl. Take it off, add some highlights, and let's go from there. Okay? Now, let's just say I went crazy on the color. Like, I just needed 2 stripes, and I went all in. Like, this hair lifted so good, y'all. I only bleached it one time, and y'all gonna see how much this stuff lifted. When I took the foils off, I was honestly shocked because this is an Amazon wig, y'all. And some of the units alone don't even like lifting the knots. So I was definitely shocked, and the company get an A+ for this. I didn't realize till after, like, girl, you already put layers in it. So it really looked like a line of demarcation. I wasn't feeling it. So I layered it up again and cut it into a bob. From here, I felt like I could do something with this.
Chardonnay's going touchdowns on your runway. I'm Texas forever like Barman. I'm Rambo in the O. I'm Billy Rick like John Jack. I'm Camo in the O. These thoughts can't clock me nowadays. You wish I was no pound cake. Boy, you know I look good at full. Wish I was your baby mom. Want me to come around and give you good karma, but no. We escalate up in this bitch like elevators. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on an elevator. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on an elevator. Goddamn. Mama taught me good home training. My daddy taught me how to love my haters. My sister told me I should speak my mind. My man made me feel so goddamn fine. Wake up, post up, run around in it, lost and on that. This diamond, my diamond, this rock, my rock. I woke up like this. We flawless. Ladies, tell them I woke up like this. We flawless. Ladies, tell them say I look so good tonight. Goddamn, say I look so good tonight. Goddamn. I wake up looking this good tonight. And I wouldn't change it if I could. And you can say what you want. I'm the shit. I'm the shit. I want everyone to feel like this tonight. Look so good tonight. Goddamn, say I look so good tonight. Goddamn. Wake up, post up, run around in it, lost and on that. This diamond, my diamond, this rock, my rock. I woke up like this. We flawless. Ladies, tell them I woke up like this. I woke up like
What I think about you, boy.
High volume.
I got what you need, so come share my world. I wanna let you know that you don't have to go.
I tried to convince myself, like, this style cute, but I just wasn't feeling it. So, of course, the next day, we went in with the third style.
If it's something that you need, then baby, come and share my world.
It started off with me just playing with the hair, and I flipped it to the other side, like the right side part, and I was like, oh, okay. The layers is actually showing. It looked like exactly how I wanted to lay, so let's switch the side. And y'all, I never do a right side part, but I'm feeling it. I'm really feeling it. I like it.
Baby, you my everything. You all I ever wanted. We could do it real big, bigger than you ever done it. You be up on everything. Other hoes ain't never on it. I want this forever. I swear I could spend whatever on it. When she hold me down every time I hit up. When I get right, I promise that we gon' live it up. She made me beg for it till she give it up. And I say the same thing every single time. I say you the fucking best. You the fucking best. You the fucking best. You the fucking best. You the best I ever had. Best I ever had. Best I ever had. Best I ever had. I say you the fucking. Know you got a roommate. Call me when there's no one there. Put the key under the mat and you know I'll be over there. I be over there, shout it, I be over there. I be hitting all the spots that you ain't even know it's there. And you don't even have to ask twice.
Let's just say the style ended up being exactly how I imagined. I really liked it. I liked the flow of it and the layers. I was feeling myself, okay? You couldn't tell me that bob hit, y'all. It really hit. It bring out the grown woman in you. You be looking like, it's girl.